classic. We got a win edition video for you guys coming. We got a rematch between these guys. Last time, this guy, per usual, Papa Cheeks, Elijah. What is his record right now? Like, hasn't won a game, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, he's getting his seated 1v1. Also, cameraman, Jared Bear. You guys know Jared Bear. We're going first to 5. If Peyton is Papa Cheeks a little too hard, we got a surprise coming in.
What do you guys have to say before the game starts?
I have nothing to say.
What about you?
She's a MILF. Holy.
Yes! Elijah's no back. You guys know it. Why are we shooting in this win? Not in the jeans. My boys in a Nike tech.
Yeah! Yeah! Go Elijah! Go Elijah!
We're ready for the shot.
What was it, 1? Play the sound effect. He doesn't do it like Reed does.
It's literally recorded, bro. Isn't the camera right on the screen? No way, he's not him.
What do you guys think?
Get in my face, bro.
No, you don't see both guys all the time. 2-1, 2-1. Ball for a jumper. Play to some.
3-1.
No.
We're not gonna
Wait. Is history gonna be made? History is. Oh, same move every time, bro. What score? 3-1?
Yep.
Payne got it again to Payne. Win, Loki helped him out there. I don't think he got that range. Whoa! I knew he didn't have that range. Wow!
Oh!
Good guy, bro. Bro cannot finish today. Oh! Why would you...
Yo! That's got the FU3!
Oh. You good?
What was that?
Oh! Oh! Bro, alright, 4-2. 4-2. Time for a comeback. Yeah. Anything's possible? Anything's possible. Alright, he's gonna lock him up. No way, okay, he's just gonna get to where he's used to. 4-3. Alright.
Come on, Elijah! Come on.
Reset. No. Bro is not Luka. No way.
Hold up!
Alright. Oh, yeah, we're
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
oh my! No. Got that out, fella, bro.
You got range?
Now, this is a heat of 1v1. It's 4-4. Alright, what am I doing? 5-4. 5-4, yep, Caden winning. Hell no.
Get your ass on, boy.
We're selling. No bad! I'm going to tech up 5. He's saying he's got to get 3 straight points. My game, 6-6. What the hell?
Just triple and try that, bro.
Oh,
shooting.
blocked by James.
on music. They say my last tape was a classic, but I got some hotter shit. I be rocking the show.
Alright, not bad. Why are we shooting that?
I think it's game time. It's already like 10 minutes.
Bro, why are you smiling? You cannot shoot, bro.
Bro, what was that? Alright. 7-6, Caden's up. He's giving him space. You don't respect the jumper at all. That's how I beat him. Yeah, that's how he beat him. Uh-oh.
Pull up.
Oh, block! You don't respect it. You don't respect it. I wouldn't either. We saw that off the backboard shot.
Let him cook now. Let him cook.
This game.
I said, let him cook.
Hamburger.